Hello guys, good morning to all of you. So how are you? So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So for today's lesson, I prepare 3 questions in mathematics for our review. Okay, so let's start. Question number 25. Let f of x equals 3x minus 2 and g of x equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. The rule for g circle of f of x can be expressed as g circle of f of x is equals to ax squared minus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are whole numbers to be determined. Give only the value of c for your answer. Okay? So this question is something to do about composite function or composition of function. Why? Because of this symbol, g circle of f. So don't read it as g times f. Okay? So this is g circle of f of x. Now, to start this solution, we can write this as g of f of x is equals to 2 times, we will use 3x minus 2. So just write it here, then raise to the second power of this exponent 2. And then minus 4 times 3x minus 2 plus 5. By the way, guys, 3x minus 2 is the value of f of x. Okay? Then simplifying is equals to 2 times. So this binomial raised to the second power. So the result will be a trinomial. So we will apply here the shortcut method. Okay? Instead of multiplying 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2, then use FOIL method. So we will do the shortcut. How? So first term raised to the second, so the answer is 9x squared. So 3 times 3, 9. Then x raised to the second power, the answer is x squared. Then to find the middle term, 3x times negative 2 times 2. So 3x times negative 2, negative 6x, and then negative 6x times 2 equals negative 12x. Then negative 2 raised to the second, the answer is positive 4. Then distribute this. Okay, then the answer is minus 12x. Then distribute it again, negative 4 times negative 2 equals positive 8, then plus 5. Then is equals to, we will distribute 2 to 9x squared, so the answer is 18x squared. 2 times negative 12x, the answer is minus 24x. Minus 24x. Then 2 times 4, so the answer is positive 8, so plus 8. Then minus 12x here, then plus 8 plus 5. So we will combine similar terms. So what will you do to 18x squared? So just copy. Then minus 24x minus 12x, it will become now minus 36x. And then 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 plus 5 equals 21. So this is now the answer. But going back to the question, we are going to find the value of c only. Okay, so the value of c from here, ax squared minus bx plus c. So c is equals to 21. So the answer in question number 25, c equals 21. Okay. Did you understand, guys? So can we proceed to question number 26? The area of the circle whose circumference is 16 pi is k pi, where k is a constant to be determined. What is the value of k? So in this person, we will consider the two formulas. So number one, the circumference. Number two is the area of the circle. So the formula for circumference of the circle equals C equals 2 pi r. Then for the area of the circle, A is equals to pi r squared. Okay, so these two formulas. Now, so let's start here. So circumference is 16 pi. So all you have to do is substitute here 16 pi is equals to 2 pi r. So we are going to solve for the radius, which is r. So 16 pi is equals to 2 pi r divided by 2 pi. Okay, and then cancel it, because once we divide it, the answer is positive 1. Then cancel pi and pi, so r is equals to 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. Okay, once you have the value of the radius, so use the formula of area. So area is equals to pi 8 squared. So 8 raised to the second power is equals to 64. So area is equals to 64 pi. So this is now the answer. But the question now, what is the value of k? So the value of k from k pi, so the value of k is 64. So the answer in number 26, k is equals to 64. Okay, so 64, correct. Now, let's proceed to the last question. So we have in the diagram below, OH and OG are the die of the circle of length 8 that are perpendicular to each other. The area of the shaded region is k pi, where k is a constant to be determined. What is the value of k? Okay, so let us know first what is meant by radii. When we say radii, that is the plural form of radius. Okay, then when we say perpendicular, so two segments, okay, OH and OG form a right angle. So that is the reason why we have here a symbol for right angle. So meaning the measurement is 90 degrees. Okay, so to answer this, we are going to find first what is the formula of finding the area of the shaded region. So area is equals to 1/2 theta r squared. So this is a Greek symbol theta. Then to find the value of theta, so we have now theta is equals to 270 degrees times pi over 180. Okay, so let us solve this one. 270 times pi over 180. So I'm going to recommend you to use your calculator. So I'm using this calculator FX991ES Plus. So let's do it here. So we have 270 and then times pi over 180 degrees. So 180. So the answer now is 3 over 2 pi, or you can write it as 3 pi over 2. So we have 3 pi over 2. So once you have that value, use this formula. So area is equals to 1/2 times 3 pi over 2 times r is 8. So 8 squared. So solving this, so we have, use again your calculator. So 1/2, then times 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi over 2, and then times power is 64. So times 64. So the answer now is equals to 48 pi. So the question, what is the value of k? So the answer here is number 27. K is equals to 48. Okay. So that is the last question for today's review. So I hope you learned something about this question, guys. Always subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to everybody.